In my video guide, I will give you instructions to get rid of the adware called AccessibleSkill. So you may see that this adware is the part of the Mac applications, and the peculiarity of it is that it only targets Mac browsers such as Safari, Google Chrome, and Mozilla Firefox. AccessibleSkill adware performs several malicious functions. First of all, it serves advertisements and displays a lot of unwanted pop-ups, but additionally it collects sensitive information and changes some important browser settings. For this reason, it is correctly considered as a potentially unwanted program and the browser hijacker, and it is currently spread through bundling with some free programs. That's why it can also be classified as a potentially unwanted application. People often install it unintentionally, and once installed, the adware is extremely stubborn. It displays its ads, it hijacks the browser, which then starts forwarding you to the variety of third-party websites. So the only correct solution in this case is to remove this adware as soon as you can. Now, how to do that? First of all, you may go to your available Mac applications. So open Finder, go to the Applications area, and you'll find this AccessibleSkill program in the list. Now, before you right-click on it and move it to the trash, you might need to press Command, Option, and Escape on your Mac keyboard. And you will need to force quit your browser or several browsers that may be preventing you from removing this adware manually, because the adware may be the part of some browser. So what you could do is to first force quit the browser and then right-click on the adware and move it to the trash. As you see, this is now completely accomplished, but I also recommend you to double-check your Mac with Combo Cleaner, the reliable security software for Mac. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. So when the software is downloaded, click on Start Combo Scan to begin the free research of your Mac computer. So this is the end of scanning of our Mac computer by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether it is in the trial mode or in the premium mode, the program performs scanning and analysis of your Mac computer. You may click on the antivirus area and then click on the link Review Results to see the exact threats and their exact location. And then you may click on this special icon that says Show in Finder. This will show you the location of each specific threads in Finder, and you may move this thread manually to the trash. What's good about Combo Cleaner, even the trial mode of it, is that it gives you the exact location and helps you remove each thread one at a time. Or, of course, you may get rid of all threads altogether automatically, but with the premium version only.